Alright guys, this is it. This is Canggu and this is what is all hype about. Hello world, how you doing guys, Bali lovers? I'm arrived today to Canggu, Bali Indonesia obviously. Let's see how's the life today in famous Eco Beach in Canggu. I know some of you, especially my loyal viewers, subscribers watching us already for a longer while, may don't really like Canggu, I really understand, but the Canggu is very popular hotspot right now in Bali, or at least used to be. So I'm here to check this out. Definitely I can see some tourists around, foreigner. However, there are definitely some newcomers here, new people I can see. So let's see how does it is. Everywhere around there in the bars there is very loud music, so I have to be very careful with that. It's 5:15 guys, by the way. Somebody always think as I'm filming every single day at morning when nobody is around. I think, I'm sorry mate, but it's 5:15, it's 1 hour to sunset. Anyway, I think it's quite many surfers also in the water down there, everywhere actually, quite many surfers, but definitely less people in the bars enjoying their time. Some local people also here. Also very interesting fact is, as MotoGP is during this weekend in Lombok, so I think gonna be less tourists, local domestic tourists from other islands of Indonesia in general, because most of them they went to Lombok for the weekend, for the race of MotoGP. Today I text to my friend Dayat, maybe you remember him. I was in Lombok making a series of videos, about 7 videos from Lombok some time ago, so maybe some of you still don't remember. New subscribers, you can check this out, these videos, when the Mandalika circuit was under construction still. So many local tourists go to Lombok for the circuit, they're gonna watch it. I spoke with him, he said so many people, but mostly 99-98% are local Indonesian people there. All the hotels, all the guest houses, all the accommodations are sold out. Also, I was checking, maybe I could go there making some videos during the race. Also, all flights are sold out, so seems like it's going to be busy, but mostly local people. I will go to Lombok maybe with Winnie in April, making a few videos. So check this out, guys. But meanwhile, situation on the beach in Eco Beach is like this. There are some definitely new tourists, because well, they are still very white, not offensive for you guys if you're watching that, but you know, still not sunburned yet. Definitely some of you already come here, but still needs more and more time. Anyway, I'm gonna go to show you a little bit how it looks center of Canggu today. Also here guys, popular, famous old man in Eco Beach in Canggu is gone and seems like never gonna come back, or maybe they're gonna do some refurbishment, but at the moment seems like they never gonna come back. Pretty sad. It was so much controversy about this place, but it was open during 2020 and beginning of 2021, but after that seems it's closed, and probably Canggu, this area will be never the same, especially for some of you who really enjoy this place, because well, I used to also vlog here many times, but it was super busy all the time and was very popular. And meanwhile, situation outside on the street also looked like this. Alright, changed my mind a little bit. It's so hot. Can you see on my face how I'm sweating? Actually, I'm already cooling down because I have my radar. I decided I will fly drone a little bit around. I mean, my quiet local nice warung on the parking area. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Not ocean view, but pretty cool. Alright guys, this is it. This is Canggu and this is what it's all hype about. Definitely much more people on the beach here and definitely much more foreigners, newcomers here. I can see that, I can feel it also. So, well, Canggu is the place if you're looking for where tourists come back, as I was expecting, but first of all I wanted to show you Kuta Legian surrounds. Anyway, tomorrow live stream, I will cover Kuta and Legian, I think. Especially Legian. Let's see how it's gonna be. And that's the big doggo. Oh, people playing football. Little distraction. Anyway, seems like it's quite busy. Sunset gonna be soon. I have to go before I gonna stuck in the huge traffic in Canggu, because Canggu have a big traffic jams around. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on the next one on the live stream. Take care guys.